One of my colleagues, he's working in a typical IT firm. So he experienced the problem that when one of his clients had a new employee, this employee needs all kinds of authorizations within the IT environment. In the beginning, we created a PDF which was fillable, and they could fill in all the information to create this new employee. But soon enough, we found out that the HR managers had a special trick, which is the same as Pete, and that didn't work. In a PDF, you can't really validate the information people fill in. So we found out that the PDF isn't scalable either. For example, when a new drive is added, you have to alter the entire PDF. And in the application we build now, you can just add a drive and you can connect the drive to the new employee. So instead of having a bunch of PDFs with information on it, the HR manager and CIO can now actually log into this system and they can see what kind of different authorizations or assets an employee has. So for me, when I started creating this application as a creator, I had two concerns. And one of them was, will it be stable enough? Which means, will it be able to handle thousands of users and maybe hundreds of tenants and hundreds of clients within the application? So my second concern was, will this be future-proof? So will the platform enable me to continue editing all the different user flows and creating more and more functionality within our application? So looking back on it today, those two concerns were actually really unnecessary because we now have an application with multiple users, multiple clients and tenants, and it works really well. Nowadays, Triggre is the platform which we work with, and it works really well, and it enables me to create any kind of application I want.